Hi guys, Andrew here from Muc-Off, and today I'm going to introduce to you our new It Blows Precision Air Blaster XL. This turbocharged rechargeable air blaster is designed to make drying your motorcycle or power sports toys an absolute breeze. We've designed the air blaster to allow as much airflow through as possible, making it easy to blast water out of all those hard to reach areas, reducing your chances of corrosion. So here we have our freshly cleaned Ducati Street Fighter. Let's show you how to use the blaster. The air blaster comes equipped with 4 different drying settings: low, mid, high and turbo, giving you the ultimate drying experience. To turn the air blaster on, simply double tap the on-off button, which enters you into low mode. Press again for mid and again for high. To turn the unit off, just hold down the on-off button. To enter into turbo mode and unleash maximum airflow, hold down the on-off button. So the battery indicator will light up after you've cycled through all 3 modes. In this case, we've got between 25 and 75% battery. The lithium-ion battery recharges in just 3 hours via USB-C located at the back of the unit. The air blaster has been fully CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminium and features a durable anodized finish. When using the air blaster for drying, we'd always recommend starting at the top of the bike and working your way down. So, let's get drying. For best drying results, use alongside our ceramic protection kit.